or muscarinic and nicotinic. So those two types. These fall under cholinergic. Okay? Muscarinic, nicotinic. For my cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, and glands. What did I just, oh, it's gone. Just let you know that these areas have those receptors. The receptors are either excitatory or inhibitory. Your book is going to get into detail about alpha, beta, gamma, all that sort of stuff. I'm not asking you to know that. Okay? I'm asking you to understand that muscarinic on these cells can be excitatory or inhibitory. All right, is everybody with me? The nicotinic. On those autonomic nervous system, post-ganglionic, but where? In my adrenal gland and my skeletal muscle. That's it. Always excitatory. Think about this for a second. I've tried really hard to point out acetylcholine, when you learned about it for the muscular system, was excitatory because it made muscle contract. Now, for my autonomic nervous system, having it synapse directly on cells of the medulla of the adrenal gland is excitatory. What we associate with adrenaline. So now, go back to this study guide, because I've said effects they have. I've just told you where each one is and the effects they have had. Yes, no, maybe. Okay, so when looking at these receptors, nicotinic, muscarinic, now this is kind of that alpha, all that sort of stuff your book is going to get into. What I'm wanting you to understand, their mode of action. I'm not asking you for each one. What I want you to understand, their mode of action could be directly at the gene located within the nucleus, or their action could be once that amino acid begins to form, it could be on the amino acid chain. Is everybody with me on that? Okay? So you'll see them listed as alpha, beta, that sort of thing. Now, this particular neurotransmitter, heard of it? Ever heard that one?
Norepinephrine.
of norepinephrine?
Yes.
All right, usually associated with epinephrine. Okay, look at what secretes it. Secreted by almost all sympathetic post-ganglionic. The reason for that, it's for the most part the chemical coming from the medulla of the adrenal gland. And like I've said before, the cells in the medulla of the adrenal gland are modified sympathetic cells.
So when that norepinephrine or epinephrine, it can hit certain cells and have different effects, I guess, depending on what those proteins are that they produce. So I guess
Yes.
it can hit like cells and either excite them or it can hit cells and inhibit them.
And the best example that I can give you, when that chemical is released for the digestive system, the cells shut down. For the heart, for the lungs, for the bloodstream, the blood vessels, they are excited. Yes, no, maybe. Okay, great. Be back at 9:30.